Watch this video and learn how to draw a funny piece of candy.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You seem very happy.
Yeah.
Good.
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
Should we draw some candy?
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
I know you like candy.
Yeah.
And you love to draw candy.
Artie loves.
Do you think Artie is going to create another masterpiece?
Do you have your marker pens?
What?
And your paper?
What?
Well, then I think we can begin.
Okay.
Come on, let's start. Let's start by drawing some eyes. We'll draw a circle in the middle of the page. Draw the circle as perfect as you can.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No, it never is.
Oh, good. That's what I was going for.
Now let's draw a slightly larger circle, just poking out from behind the first one. Great. Now let's draw a little black dot inside the left circle. Should we do the right one now?
Okay.
Let's draw that one more towards the bottom of the circle. Now he has a silly, goofy look to his eyes. Let's draw some eyebrows. Draw two tear shapes or little triangle shapes just above the eyes and shade them in black. Let's give him a funny mouth, a big smiley mouth. One curve at the top, another one at the bottom, shade in between black, and then let's do a short line on the left and the right. If we're going too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw our candy's body. We're going to do a big curve on the left and a big curve on the right. And then let's connect the bottom of those two curves together across the bottom, making a big oval shape.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
Now we're going to draw the left side of the candy. This is the wrapping paper that's twisted around the candy, and it causes a little sort of bow shape on the left and right sides. So let's draw that left bow. Two angled lines, and let's connect them with a wavy line. Now let's add some detail lines. This will make it look like the wrapping paper is slightly creased and crinkled.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Now we're going to do exactly the same, but on the right side. Let's draw our bow shape. Two lines, one at the top, one at the bottom. Connect them together with a wavy line. And then let's add our detailed crinkled wrapper lines. Joke break? You want a joke break, Artie? Okay, we can stop for a minute.
All right, so what kind of car does a sheep drive? A Lamborghini. Why is Miss Piggy such a bad driver? Because she's always hogging the road.
Oh, Mikey.
What kind of car does Yoda drive? A Toyota.
That was a funny joke break, wasn't it, Artie? Mikey, that was really good, especially your joke about Yoda. Okay, come on, let's finish drawing this candy. Let's add another wavy line on the ends of the bows, one on the right and then one on the left. Now we're going to add some diagonal stripes across the body of our candy. Start on the left and just copy across angled diagonal lines. Now let's add some legs to our candy. It might seem silly having a candy with legs, but why not? This is art. We can draw anything that our creative minds can conjure up. First we draw some pants, and now let's give our candy some really skinny legs. Give him another skinny leg on the right side, Artie.
Artie's really on a roll today.
Let's give him some big shoes. Draw a large curvy toe and then a little curvy heel. Same on the right side. Let's give the shoes some soles. All you have to do is copy the curve shape underneath at the toe and the heel. Same on the right side, Artie. Heel, toe. Should we give our candy some arms and hands? Let's start with the left hand. Let's give him skinny little fingers like his skinny little legs with round ends on the fingers. Then draw an arm going back inside the bow wrapper. That's it, Artie. What a funny little hand. Should we do the same on the right side? That looks awesome, Artie. What a funny looking piece of candy. You finished? What a great job, Artie. I can't wait to see what bright colours you use.
It looks wonderful, Artie.
But it could use some color.
So neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Wonderful work, Artie. He came out so good. I love his stripes. I love the purple colour and the lime colour. And I really like that you made his shoes brown. He looked so good. Awesome work.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Well, little artists, thanks for watching. We hope you have an arty day and come back and join us another time. But for now, bye-bye. Bye-bye.